Our history of Sundance goes back a number of years. It started by doing a little bit here and a little bit there, and then kind of evolved into doing major venues for them. And then this last year turned out to be 35 venues over the course of about 7 days to get it installed. I think Sundance enjoys working with Vision Graphics because we're not just a print shop. We do more than that. We offer design, we offer print, we offer manufacturing, installation, de-installation. It's much more than just print. Being organized on a project of this size is really important. To succeed on a project like this, it takes the entire team, from design to customer service, getting the orders into production quickly and correctly. Every part of it has to be organized, and it really takes a team concept in order to succeed on a project like this. A project like Sundance offers a lot of challenges when it comes to installation. It's the weather, it's the 35 different venues, it's the short day of being able to install. Customers are still in some of the shops, so we can't be in some of the facilities. Some of the hotels have got the hotel patrons that you have to not interrupt. And so there's a lot of challenges just with the community. And then you get into, oh, hey, this building's 35 feet tall, or this tower is 100 feet tall, and no, you can't put any screws into the building or a tape on the wall. So you have to find creative ways to help the project succeed for them. So this one's a little bit unique because it takes place in the winter months. Being able to complete a project like Sundance takes a company like Vision Graphics that has design, print, installation, all wound up into one, not to mention the project management that goes along with it. That's a major part of the success or failure of any big event, is the project management prior to the event, during the event, and after the event takes place. And that's what helped us succeed.